Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair using NuMe's 8-count Octowand set. That means that there are 8 different barrels to get all kinds of different curl sizes for your hair. So this style right here is super cute. It's just like a glam half up, half down ponytail thing, and I use some hair to wrap around, which just takes the look to a whole different level in my opinion. So I'm going to show you guys how I did this, and I'm going to tell you about the Octowand set. So let's get right into how I curled my hair. Okay, so my hair is a little crazy right now. This is bedhead. I just woke up with my hair like this. So as you can see, it's starting to curl again. It got some wave in it. So my hair has been straight for a few days now. I haven't re-straightened it today. I kind of just let it do its thing because I knew today I was going to be using a curling iron, and I thought this was the perfect timing because my hair is naturally curly, as you know, and curling curly hair with a curling iron, say that 3 times fast, is really hard. So I figured I'd just do it while my hair was still straight. Okay, so I'm going to start sectioning my hair. So here is the wand. So for the bottom section, I'm gonna use the big boy, the biggest barrel here. So it has these 4 peg things on the bottom, and you just attach it, push it down into the wand. And now I'm going to turn on the power button, just hold it down. And it starts at 370, so I think that's good. I'm gonna leave it on 370. Wow, it's already getting warm, that's crazy. In seconds. So it tells you right here, the temperature keeps going up and up and up and up. So I'm not gonna touch it again because now, yeah, it's hot. So it comes with this heat protecting glove, which is extremely helpful because you do not want to burn yourself with this. So I'm gonna take a section, put the barrel downwards, take the hair and wrap it away from my face. And hold it there for a few seconds and then release. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna brush it out or anything. That's later. So I'm just going to continue doing this for this section. So these are bigger, more loose curls. Okay, I'm gonna tie the curls that I already curled very gently so that I don't get them confused with the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna use a hair tie, really lightly separate it from the rest. So what I'm going for is like big, kind of beachy, wavy curls. So most of the curls I'm doing that are framing my face are going away from my face, but I'm going to start alternating some of the curls for more volume. So some I will do going inward like this, and then some, you know, the opposite, going outward away from my face. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it up real quick. I'm gonna turn this off and then take off this barrel. So since this is the top layer, I'm gonna add some different curls. So this barrel is thick to thin. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so it's gonna heat up in seconds. And for the bangs, I'm going to do a thicker barrel, so I'm going to leave these tight curls just for this section here, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I'm lightly going to finger rake the curls. So this is like a messy, effortless, wavy, beachy kind of look. So what I'm gonna do is a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm gonna tie up half a ponytail. So now I'm gonna take a small chunk of hair to tie around the hair tie so it can cover it. So I'm gonna wrap it around. And this is kind of like those glam looks. So I'm wrapping it around, and then I'm using a bobby pin to pin it down in the back. Okay, I didn't curl my whole head again because I just curled it. So I just did some pieces. I did my ponytail here and some pieces that needed to be recurled, but for the most part they're already curled and kind of wavy. So I think this look is so cute. This is JLo inspired because she does a lot of these cute little wavy hairstyle looks, but I love this. I think this is adorable, and the curls on the ends just make it look extra cute. Of course, I gotta fluff out the bottom a little bit, shake it out, make it look a little more full. So here's the finished look of this cute half up, half down ponytail. I think it's really cute. Again, very effortless waves, kind of beachy, loose. I never wear my hair like this, so it was fun to try new styles with my hair and do new things. Thank you so much to NuMe for sending me these products, and when I straighten my hair, I will definitely be going back to this curling wand. If this is something that you do often, I definitely recommend checking out NuMe's Octowand set. There's so many options that you can use for curling your hair, so definitely check them out. If you think this style looks cute, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!